Building and architecture and all things relating to structure is the happy place for the Calibrator. Even the glyph for this profile is a spirit level, which is a tool that we use in building to make sure that the building is correct, checking, monitoring and continuing to build. The role of the Calibrator is related to building the structure and infrastructure and the model of the building around us. Calibrators are driven by the refining energy to create order and the activating energy to spark innovation. And what they do is close off the round of the 8 compass profiles. They all take the learning of the other 7 profiles and cement that learning into the structure, the building, the architecture, and the design of the organisation. They have a great way of improving the way an organisation works through its systems. The Calibrator uses instruments to create value. They test, measure, refine, repeat. They're compelled by systems thinking, where every little action in the system affects the system. They have a continuous improvement mindset. They think ahead. They also think about creating order. One of the challenges for the Calibrator is bringing to a close what they are doing and handing it over and moving on to the next task. They tend to be perfectionists, but nothing's ever perfect because the moment a solution's launched, things move on. They can be attached to the system and the methodology, and they can also forget people. They must remember that everything they create and design should bring greater purpose to the people and not to the machine. They're engaged when they have scope to experiment. Calibrators should also consider to learn about systems thinking. They can add huge value by understanding how the organisation can prepare for the future and create systems that leverage people and enable people to flourish. The instruments that a Calibrator uses in your organisation could be your business models, your methodologies, your systems or business tools. Every Calibrator is different because of their unique blend of energies. However, they are rational, non-emotional in decision making and immensely curious. They excel when they have something to tinker with and fix or fine-tune. If you have a Calibrator in your team, set them deadlines to share their creative solutions, otherwise the improvements will never quite be ready. If you're a Calibrator, remember your designs and creations should bring together value and purpose to the people in your organisation, not the machine.